These days, being able to sign important documents using an electronic signature is pretty much essential. It's fast, convenient, saves paper, and because it's contactless, it's also safer. It may seem daunting at first if you're unfamiliar, but the steps couldn't be simpler. So keep watching as we walk you through the easy process to electronically sign any PDF document that comes your way. First off, you need the right tool for the job. There are a number of applications out there that let you interact with PDFs and capture electronic signatures. For instance, Jotform's very own PDF editor and Smart PDF Forms tool. But if all you need is to sign a one-off document, you can't go wrong with Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you don't have Adobe Acrobat Reader already installed on your device, it's an easy web search away. There's a premium version that allows you to do more with your PDF, but for filling out electronic signatures, the basic free version will work just fine. Follow the steps required to ensure the program is downloaded and installed on your device. Once installed, open the PDF document with Adobe Acrobat Reader. From here, navigate to the toolbar above the page where you'll see the sign icon shaped like a pen. Click on this and you'll be able to add your signature or initial. You'll have a few different options here: typing it out, using an image you can upload directly, or drawing it on the screen using your mouse, trackpad, or touchscreen. Choose whatever method you prefer to sign your name, then hit apply, and you'll be able to drag your signature to anywhere on the document. You can also change the size to ensure it fits properly wherever it's supposed to go. Note that Adobe will save your signature for quick future implementation, but you can always go back and change it by clicking on the icon next to it in the dropdown. In most cases, a document requires you to print your name and fill out the date alongside your signature when signing it. Adobe Acrobat Reader also lets you do this by entering simple text fields. Just navigate to the right of the Reader interface and select Fill and Sign. You can request signatures using this button as well, but in this case, simply click through once more and you'll be able to place your cursor anywhere on the document to enter simple text, enabling you to type out your name or the date. Once you've filled out all the required signature fields, save your document, renaming the file if necessary. Now, you're free to email it back to the sender or store it in your own records for safekeeping. And that's how easy it is to add an electronic signature to any PDF. Remember, if you do need to do more with your PDF documents, such as editing, commenting, assigning via email, or even transforming them into online fillable forms for data collection, you can always check out Jotform's PDF features, which let you do all this and more for free. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit subscribe for more videos from Jotform.